Hello student, here we discuss some important complex compound. Acetyl acetone, ACAC it is written. It is very important for competitive exam. You should know about the IUPAC name, then it will be very easy for you. Acetyl acetone, it is difficult to learn, but 2,4-pentane dione is very easy to do. See here CH3CO, CH2, CO, CH3 means both the side of the CH2 group is CH3CO, CH3CO. Clear? And these two are the donor atom. Clear? So this is bidentate ligand, oxygen is the donor atom, and it is also forming chelate compounds. So various industrial process and catalyst it is used. Now we will go for cyanocobalamin. Vitamin B12, you understand, it is very important, very essential for our body, and this vitamin contains cobalt in it, bound to porphyrin ring, like ring forming a chelate complex. Okay, so which element is there? Remember this is asked in the examination. So for example, chlorophyll, they are saying, so at that moment you should know iron. This cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12, cobalt is there with bond to porphyrin ring like structure, and the chelate complex is formed. Now dimercaprol, remember this is very important, very essential chelating agent used in medicine to remove heavy metals. Means metal impurities can be cured by dimercaprol. Okay, DIMER, dimer caprol, CAPROL. Here heavy metals like arsenic impurities this is poison. So they are heavy metals are just like poison to our body. So arsenic, copper, gold, mercury, etc. can be removed from the body with the help of dimercaprol. Okay, now here we will think about EDTA, hexadentate ligand. Okay, this is the structure of hexadentate ligand. Ethylene diamine tritacetate. See, CH2CO1, CH2CO 2 times, CH2CO 3 times, CH2CO 4 times. So 2 CH2CO joined to one nitrogen, and second nitrogen also having this. This is hexadentate ligand. 4 oxygen are the donor atom and 2 nitrogen are donor atom. The structure is just like this. Here 2 nitrogen, and this you have to open it and you have to write down. See, this is 2 CH3CO grouping are over here. OH I took up, and this is donor. Here OH down, here donor. Here I have taken EDTA, means here at last at acetic acid. Okay, but in general if we not write down H, then acetate. So this type of structure will be there. It will cure all this type of poisoning: lead poisoning, copper poisoning, iron poisoning, cobalt. This can be removed by this. Now Ca2 positive, hardness of water can be